Okay, in this video I want to walk you through a full process of having a taxonomy, creating a report model using that taxonomy, creating a report using that taxonomy, and verifying that report using the taxonomy. So I'm sneaking up on being able to explain this by both having better software and by just the number of sheer repetitions of showing this stuff. So I want to start by showing you the taxonomy. So this is basically one approach to making a taxonomy available. All it is, it's a web page, and I've connected XBRL files to it. And you can click on this and see the XBRL file. I've only rendered this one small taxonomy. This is an Sfac 6 taxonomy. It's very small, so I can show just the pieces that I don't want to use a big taxonomy to show an overview, because all it is, a larger taxonomy is simply repeating the same patterns over and over again. So these three structures in Sfac 6 is adequate to make the points that need to be made. So here I've got three structures. I've only got one reporting style, and there are three different information patterns shown. If I go into Tesseract, these are the XBRL taxonomies, or the XBRL based information that drives everything that you're going to be seeing. So here is the entry point schema for Sfac 6, which I've loaded in Tesseract. Here are the disclosures that are used by the disclosure mechanics rules and by the reporting checklist. Here are the disclosure mechanics rules. Here is the reporting checklist rules. Here are the fundamental accounting concepts rules, parts of them. You don't see the consistency rules and the derivation rules. And here are the subtype rules. So this is all that drives what you will see here. So now I'm going to go into the audit chain suite, the Luca application. I'm going to create a new report for Sfac 6. So I created a report. I'm now going to load the report model for that report. So there's the taxonomy information. I go here, and I'm going to expand all of this so you see what I'm loading. So basically this is like a template. And in this case, I only have one option for a balance sheet, one option for an income statement, and one option for changes in equity. So therefore, I only have one reporting style. In other examples, I'm going to show you multiple of each of these and show you how reporting styles work. So I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to import the associations and the rules. I'm not going to import the facts. I'll show you why in a second. I could, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to import that, and they've all been imported. So you can go look at what was imported, and so there's the presentation view. There's the calculation view of what was imported. there's the definition view of what was imported. So as I said, I imported the terms and stuff, the report model, no facts. So now I'm going to separately import an Excel spreadsheet that contains the facts. Okay, there's all the facts. I'm going to upload that. So now I have both a report and a report model. Now I'm going to verify that everything has been created correctly. And again, I only have one reporting style. That selected the rules that I need. I press validate. And everything is valid. I can go and look at the rendering and the other information. There's the verification report. Again, everything is valid. So there's the balance sheet. There's the income statement. There's the statement of changes in equity. Type, subtype relations that were used to make sure that everything was okay. Reporting checklist rules. Disclosure mechanics rules. Value assertions to make sure that everything adds up the way that it should, including the fundamental accounting concepts. So what you're seeing, this may look pretty simple, and you know what? It is pretty simple, but it's not simplistic. So what I'm showing you is everything that you would see with the verification of a Microsoft 10K report, except the Microsoft 10K, instead of having 3 structures, it has 194 structures. Instead of having, I don't know, 10 facts, it'll have 2,000 facts. But the process is exactly the same. So I'm going to stop here.